Alright guys, it's about 2:20 in the morning. I just finished putting together some clips from the Battle of the Bulge at OA Paintball that just happened this past Sunday. I attended that with one of my friends, and there was about 300 people total, so it was a pretty good turnout. The teams were really evenly weighted. It was, I think the blue team had about 5 more people than the red team, and that was it. And so, numbers-wise, it's very, very even. I believe the blue team won. I left a little early and we were winning when I left, so I'm going to assume that. But if you were there, don't get all offended if red won. I don't know. Anyways, it was red on blue, and there was Bastogne in the middle, which was obviously the main scenario area, and that was kind of like the main fortress you had to hold. And there were a couple of missions throughout the day, but yeah. So it was it was a good time. It was a little cold, very windy, so that made a lot of longer range shots pretty hard. So a lot of stuff got pretty close at points. The video is going to start out with a couple of short clip, just showing you how like all the cars are there, and then it's going to show you just the general playing field from the main castle, which was Bastogne in this case. So I just do a 360 view to give you an idea. Just of the general field. The field did continue off into the woods in a couple directions, so that wasn't the whole field that you see, but it's a very good portion of it, and it's pretty much where all the action happened was in that area. So anyways, I hope you enjoy. Please rate, comment, and subscribe.
Generals gathered in their masses. Get out of the way. Just like witches at black masses. Get out of the way, bitch. Get out of the way. Evil minds that plot destruction. Get out of the way. Sorcerer of death's construction. Get out of the way, bitch. Get out of the way. In the fields of bodies burning. Get out of the way. As the war machine keeps turning. Get out of the way. Death and hatred to mankind. Get out of the way. Poisoning their brainwashed minds.